I cannot wait to upgrade my phone to iOS 12 so that I can get all the snazzy new features and make it perform like I just took it right out of the box. Great. A new iOS update that's going to slow my phone down to a snail's pace, make my battery life practically non-existent, and make me have to buy a new phone once this one's all but bricked. Awesome! So exciting! Thanks, Apple. To update or not to update? That is the question. Let's break it down. Hello everyone, and welcome to DIY in 5, the show where we make tech simple. I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and iOS 12 is finally here. Not sure if the update is worth it? That's what we're here for. Today we will be discussing the ins and outs, ups and downs, swipe lefts and swipe rights of iOS 12 and whether an upgrade is right for you. If you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future tips. What is iOS 12? The 12th major release of Apple's mobile operating system was announced in June of 2018 and made available to devs and beta testers shortly thereafter. The look is very similar to iOS 11, but there are some behind-the-scenes adjustments when it comes to performance, security, and battery saving, not to mention some new app functionality that Apple is hoping will get fans excited. A handful of Apple fans and critics have already had access to the pre-release beta versions, and their reviews are mixed. So what is there to get excited about? Apple says the performance will be 70% faster with iOS 12. Now that's a big claim. This could be especially useful for those with older devices looking for a performance boost. The camera app will launch faster, so you're less likely to miss that picture-perfect moment. The update also has features like screen time tracking and will streamline the user experience on iPads to be more like the iPhone X. Following the AI trend, Apple introduced a smarter Siri in this update, broadening the amount of knowledge she has. Yet, one of the more noticeable updates of iOS 12 is the Siri shortcut. For those who are fans of shortcuts, this update might be perfect for you. You can now create a series of automations that can be activated via Siri. Automations can be as simple as placing an order at your favorite restaurant via voice command, or as complex as having Siri automatically pull up the directions home and texting your roommate that you will be there soon. These shortcuts can be built within the Shortcut app and labeled under certain voice commands such as, "I'm going home." In addition, Siri now has the ability to create suggestions based on your shortcuts, phone activity, and frequently used apps. Suggestions may include placing an order of your favorite drink at the local Starbucks you frequent, or FaceTiming your mom on a Saturday afternoon since that's when you usually FaceTime. While we're on the topic of FaceTime, you can now finally FaceTime more than one person at a time. This update allows you to add up to 32 people in a FaceTime group. Overkill? Other features in iOS 12 include grouped notifications on your lock screen and instant tuning of said notifications. Users can now choose to have notifications delivered quietly or have them turned off if they don't want to be disturbed. Speaking about not being disturbed, Apple also updated the Do Not Disturb mode. Users can set how long they want their D&D mode to be on to maximize productivity in times of need. Wow, D&D mode always meant something very different to me. In addition, users who do not want to receive notifications when they are asleep can use the new Bedtime Mode. Notifications will automatically appear the next morning after Bedtime Mode is turned off. For Apple CarPlay users, we've got great news. This update finally allows you to access third-party navigation apps such as Google Maps and Waze. Very exciting. So why wouldn't you want to upgrade as soon as possible? Traditionally, you'd be prudent to let others work out the kinks first, or you might expect a noticeable lag in both performance and battery life. iOS 11. Fear not, my jaded by previous break your iPhone update friends. iOS 12 is focused on exactly those fears. With Apple's primary focus being on performance, stability, and bug fixes, these particular fears should be a non-issue. However, if you are looking for groundbreaking technology, this update may be a little bit disappointing to you. The most exciting technology update you will get with iOS 12 is ARKit 2.0 and the Measure app. ARKit 2.0 now includes 3D object recognition, and this means that 3D objects will now be incorporated into AR experiences. The Measure app allows you to measure objects and surfaces, which may come in handy when you need to know how big something is or how much space you have. If you're an Animoji fan, this update includes tongue and wink detection and 4 new characters. You will now also be able to create your own avatar with Memoji. For more info on iPhone AR, check out this video here. So should you upgrade? iOS 12 is perfect for users who have older devices and want upgraded performance and users who are all about productivity. For those who are looking for cool, innovative updates, this one might be a little bit lackluster. And while it's healthy to update your software to fix existing bugs, it also doesn't hurt to hold off on this update if you find no problems with your device right now. If you already updated your device, let us know in the comments below what your favorite feature is. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time with more DIY in 5.